Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a red glitter cut crease using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I'm going to be using the shadow next and placing it on the outer corner, blending it inwards. The brush that I'm using to apply the color is a Morphe brush. It's M433. I grabbed some of the shadow Oh Hello on another Morphe brush. I just don't have the number for the name for the brush, but it is Morphe. And again, I'll be placing it on the outer corner, blending it inwards. Now I'm going in with the shadow Crazy. I'm just going in with the same brush I was as before. Now I'm gonna just start cutting my crease. I use the Louise base in the shade Rumor 0.5. Any concealer brush works. The one that I have, it's from Mud, but it also doesn't have a number. I grabbed a bigger concealer brush and I picked up the shadow Empowered and applied it where I cut my crease. I picked up some more of the shadow Crazy and applied it on the outer corner. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video.